Breaking news coming in, viewers, while Prime Minister is set to honor Hindutva icon Veer Savarkar's legacy, the Congress has now questioned the need to do the same. The Congress has asked why the BJP did not build any college or university on Mahatma Gandhi's name and why legitimize Savarkar as his name was present in the list of Godse's killers. So this is what we see right now, viewers, on Republic TV, and what we see are back-to-back details coming in. This time, Savarkar Rao has once again come out in the front. And this is coming in, viewers, as we see that the Congress and the BJP are clashing over Delhi University naming a college after Savarkar. In the midst of all this, we see that the Congress and the BJP clashing, and once again, they are clashing over Veer Savarkar. I want to go ahead and play all the reactions that are coming in right now.
प्रधानमंत्री सावरकर जी के नाम पर कॉलेज बना रहे हैं। बड़े अदब से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपने महात्मा गांधी के नाम पे कोई यूनिवर्सिटी बनाई है? महात्मा गांधी के नाम पे कोई कॉलेज खोला है? आपको सावरकर से प्यार है, जिनका नाम गांधी के कत्ल में आया था। और बाद में जब कमीशन बना था, कपूर कमीशन, तो उसने कहा था, अदालत से बरी हो गए थे केजरीवाल लेकिन इसके बावजूद कमीशन ने कहा था कि वो शक के दायरे में हैं। मुझे अफसोस है कि आज तक आपने गांधी के नाम पे कुछ नहीं बनाया।
All right, viewers, let's go straight across to my colleague joining us, Harsha, joining us live. Harsha, we're getting these back-to-back updates coming in, where once again we see that there has been a big question mark that has been raised by the Congress on Savarkar's legacy. Not the first time that the Congress has questioned the BJP, because the PM Modi is about to honor the Hindutva icon, Veer Savarkar. The Congress has now questioned what is the need of that. The Congress is doing this just ahead of the very crucial inauguration that the Prime Minister Modi is about to make. If you could take our viewers through the latest coming in.
So, Shivangi, is the war of legacy now which has erupted in the national capital. On one side today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay foundation stone of the new DU campus in the Najafgarh, which is named after V.D. Savarkar, the Hindu icon. Now, on the Congress, now the BJP is receiving Congress backlash over it, because Congress has demanded that the new DU campus should be named after late Manmohan Singh. His legacy should be pertained, it should be perceived, and it should be intact, because he is one whose monumental contribution should be legitimatized. He is the person who is responsible for the Central Universities Act 2009, giving IITs and IIMs, and it would be the most fitting, you can say that most fitting respect which late Manmohan Singh can get by naming DU campus after late Manmohan Singh. And this is the war of words and face-off which has now erupted over between BJP and both Congress, by stating that the new DU campus should be after Manmohan Singh. In fact, not only this, Rajya Sabha MP Congress Nasir Hussain went on by saying that BJP is legitimizing the Dart freedom fighter who wrote several mercy petitions to the Britishers, and that is a political row controversy which is now ahead of the New Delhi Assembly election. As very well know, the Delhi will go for polls next month, and before that, such political controversy over the legacy war of Savarkar versus Manmohan Singh is what now there's a clash between both the parties, BJP and Congress today. Also, after Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of the new DU campus, this entire matter is supposed to escalate, because Congress has clearly stated that the legacy of Manmohan Singh is to be preserved, and that is the reason why this matter is not going to stop here. They are going to take it up certainly in the New Delhi election and several run-up to the polls. Back to you.
Right. Hold on, because we're getting some more reactions coming in, and we're getting the story is going to get very big very soon, Harsha.